Mr. Speaker, Uganda shillings 8.79 trillion has been allocated next financial year for transport infrastructure development. The 275-bed National Referral Military Hospital in Mbuya, Kampala is now operational. It attends to an average of 150 patients per day for services including dialysis, dental care, physiotherapy, and ENT. Number 5, construction and upgrading of 31 health facilities across Karamoja is ongoing. Government also completed high-capacity medical waste and incinerators in Fort Portal, Guru, Mbarara, KCCA, and Lira. Busorwe, Gombe, Kaworo hospitals were also rehabilitated. Government completed construction of 90 additional seed secondary schools, expanded 54 existing schools, and operationalized 259 seed schools. Mr. Speaker, overall, Uganda shillings 13.56 trillion has been allocated next financial year to invest directly in the people of Uganda through health, education, social protection, and water and sanitation. This investment reflects government's conviction that people are Uganda's greatest asset.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.